Welcome to the Smart Financial Ledger. Let's start by launching the application from the desktop. The system automatically opens the web interface. Once on the main screen, we'll head to the sidebar and click Add New User. We'll enter the name Bright to create a personalized ledger. Now let's log our first transaction. Select Expense, enter the item as Northern Cafe, set the category to Food, and the amount to 26.99. After clicking Record, you'll see the transaction history and the overview dashboard update in real time. We can continue adding other daily costs, like drinks from Share Tea, groceries from Ralph's, and fuel at Shell 91. Even major fixed costs like rent at $1,600 can be easily categorized. The app supports various categories like utilities and entertainment, giving you a crystal clear view of where your money is going. Of course, we need to track our earnings too. Simply switch the type to income. Here we can record freelance pay, TSMC dividends, and even gifts or bonuses. As we input the data, the dashboard automatically calculates the net balance. Wit tip: it looks like that rent payment put our balance in the red for now. And that is exactly why consistent tracking is so important. Now for the best part, click Generate Final Report window to bring up a comprehensive financial analysis. Here you'll find intuitive pie charts showing your income and expense distribution. You can clearly see that investments are a major income source, while rent dominates the expenses. If you need these visuals for a presentation, just click the top right corner to download the charts as PNG images. Finally, if you prefer processing data in Excel, click Download Full Ledger to export a CSV file immediately. Opening the file reveals that all transaction records, timestamps, and categories are perfectly organized. That's the Smart Financial Ledger, making financial management smart and simple. Thanks for watching.